Car Story research indicates this vehicle as low miles and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2014 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.